What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja. You know the deal, you know what time it is. It is make money online time because that's what this channel is all about. If you hear the pitter patter outside or somewhere in your recording this thing, this video, it's a rainy night, 10:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday, December 22nd. 3 days till Christmas, guys. 3 days till Christmas, and you can still be on your way to making money online. This lead is a product designer position at Cloudsmith. You know, you have a gunsmith, there's Cloudsmith, right? It's a remote work from anywhere position. You can work full time internationally from anywhere in the world. All right. Now, because we're getting closer to the holidays, I am going to be jumping in and making it snappy. Cloudsmith, you want to learn more? I just pressed that little chain looking link button thing and the website opens up. Software supply chain management in the cloud. Don't want any cookies. I'm already getting lots of treats for this Christmas. Don't want no cookies. All right. Management or managed artifact repositories and ultra fast web scale global distribution. You can start your free trial. You can chat with the support team here, submit tickets and so forth. These are some of the companies that have used Cloudsmith: Font Awesome, Carta, ISC, MYOB. Okay, so it just gives you an idea of what things are like. Please go through this website, mess with it, play with it. You need to know what the company is about, and you can learn a lot about the company from their website. Okay, so back to the lead. Product designer. They're pretty much based in Belfast, Northern Ireland, United Kingdom, and they want you full time. Now, Cloudsmith is looking for an exceptional product designer to join our product team. Reporting to our VP of product, you will continuously collaborate with product and engineering from discovery to delivery to iteration to ensure we deliver valuable and usable products to our customers. You understand that user experience extends beyond the application and includes all touch points and interactions a customer has with Cloudsmith. You will be responsible for all aspects of the product design process within a specific product area, from research and ideation to detailed interaction design. You help ensure we deliver user-friendly and user-focused experiences to our customers that work for our business. Responsibilities. Collaborate with a product to ensure a full understanding of the problems we are trying to solve, the users we are solving them for, and the larger product vision. Communicate with engineering to ensure we design feasible solutions that take into account technical constraints. Leverage low fidelity sketches all the way through to prototypes to test ideas and collaborate with teammates and customers throughout the design process. Focus on using your design superpower to help us build usable, valuable products and take opportunities to sharpen the skills you're looking to develop. Navigate ambiguity through a scientific mindset, stating hypotheses, testing, learning, and adapting. Conduct user interviews and guide usability tests within your product area. Conduct design reviews and confidently communicate decision-making rationale to team members and stakeholders. Coordinate and partner with engineering to hand off designs. Provide specifications and quality assurance support through to launch. Requirements. These are what are required. That sounds kind of less effective. These are the required requirements. It's like repeating yourself. It's like saying, I don't know what I'm saying. Like saying reverse backward. Like if you're reversing, you're going backward. You don't need to say reverse backward. You know what I mean? You can't reverse forward. Required requirements. Anyways, these are what they're hard and fast on. 4+ years of industry experience and a related degree or equivalent experience in software interface design and/or development. You have a proven user-centered design workflow that comprises design, prototyping, presentation, sharing, and soliciting feedback, influencing key decision makers and collaborative handoffs with developers. You're skilled in explaining your work, process, and decisions to cross-functional stakeholders and crave feedback to help you produce your best work. Experience designing and evolving web-based services and/or application software in a fast-paced environment is what we should have there. Experience collaborating with engineers and product managers to deliver software. You can share a portfolio that demonstrates technical product thinking and an understanding of user-centered design methodologies. Excellent interaction and visual design skills and attention to detail. And let me stick a pin. If you notice, they said they wanted the schoolwork, the certification, or equivalent experience. If you've been working in the industry for quite some time and you've garnered enough experience to the point where you're pretty much a pro, right? You don't need to bring your degree. If you have your degree, good, bring it. If not, and you have the requisite experience, bring that to the table. Now, this is what's preferred: experience in designing for business and developer focused products. You have a demonstrated advocacy for design and research methodologies and have experience running quantitative and qualitative research such as usability testing, analysis, interviews, and field studies. A bachelor's or master's in the field of human-computer interaction is nice to have. In short, your qualities: smart, you get things done, and you're an awesome human being. Some of the benefits that you'll experience for excellent candidates like you, especially my internet income ninjas: expect an incredible opportunity and compensation, extremely competitive salary, share options, own a piece of Cloudsmith, 35 days annual leave including public holidays plus 10 days full sick pay, flexible work policies, private health insurance, dental insurance, income protection, great pension contributions, budget for getting set up, so that's £3,000 to include a powerful laptop, extra perks like free conference days or support for additional self-learning, example AWS certifications. Now about the location, they're based in Belfast, Northern Ireland, but like us and the entire team right now, you'll probably be fully remote, although our preference is for you to be within 1 to 2 time zones of UTC. Cloudsmith is an equal opportunities employer who does not discriminate against age, sex, gender, pronouns, race, disability, pregnancy, marital or parental status, political ideology, creed, sexual orientation or religious background, etc. Your ability and passion are infinitely more important to us. And if you think that these qualities, qualifications, these things that they've presented are important to you and you want to join the team, see this box that I'm putting a box around? I'm putting a box around a box. Press the box inside, this one that says apply for job. Press it, click it. When the page pops up, fill in the information, upload your information like your cover letter, your resume, and so forth. They also wanted to see your portfolio, so if you have a link to a website or to a page that has examples of work you've done, link it, submit it, and wait for an official response from Cloudsmith. Do not be scammed by anyone else. Wait for official communication from this company. Okay? Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. If you're seeing this video when it's Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, Merry or Happy, whatever you celebrate. Stay safe. I hear there's more stuff coming from these, viruses and stuff. Continue to stay safe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. It's free, but it helps you make money online to do those things. Hit me up in the comments. If you want to say hi, I'll say hi. If you would like to just, tell me where you're from, if you've gotten an interview, if you've successfully been hired, anything, let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.